Ruel Reid and Fritz PINNOCK'S application for a judicial review rejected.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Supreme Court has denied an application for a leave for a judicial review by former Education Minister Ruel Reid and the President of the Caribbean Maritime University, Dr. Fritz PINNOCK, to challenge the criminal charges filed against them by the Financial Investigations Division. The decision was handed down on Tuesday morning, the 24th of December, by Chief Justice Brian Sykes. The matter was heard in chambers on Wednesday, the 18th of December. Reid and PINNOCK, through their legal challenge, were seeking to have the charges quashed, while contending that the FID was not empowered by law to bring the charges against them and therefore acted illegally. They further contended that the FID does not have the legal authority to obtain a fiat from the DPP to prosecute them. The ruling handed down by the Chief Justice suggests that there is no evidence that the Financial Investigations Division either arrested or prosecuted anyone in the fraud case. Further, sources say Sykes found that no exceptional circumstances were raised by the attorneys for Reid and PINNOCK that would have caused the court to question the decision of the Director of Public Prosecutions to grant the FID a fiat to prosecute their clients. Sykes also reportedly acknowledged that the grant of the fiat by the DPP is a power given to her by the Constitution. Reid, his wife Sharon, daughter Cheryl, as well as Fritz PINNOCK and Brownstown Division Councillor Kim Brown Lawrence were in October arrested and charged following a year-long corruption probe into the Education Ministry and the Caribbean Maritime University. The 5 accused are scheduled to return to court on the 23rd of January 2020.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.